Breaking today, Qatar says mediators are making progress to help reach a deal between the United States and Iran. President Trump has called it the regime's, quote, last chance. Our next guest is calling for tough action against Tehran, writing in the Washington Post that Iran's missile attack was a surprise. It should not have been. Years of muted U.S. response taught Tehran what it could get away with. Mehmet Taleblu is the senior director for the Foundation of Defense and Democracy's Iran program and joins us now. Iran learned under previous presidents that it could basically continue its malign activities with impunity, but it's ramped that up even further in the last few months.
Absolutely great to be with you. Despite a ceasefire allegedly being in place for the past few months and even a deal, this is a regime that continues to fire ballistic missiles and drones at countries that house U.S. bases and military infrastructure, as well as threaten shipping in the Persian Gulf and Strait of Hormuz. So this regime continues to act and speak as the world's foremost state sponsor of terrorism.
So it learned this under the Carter